Hey, what's up, you guys? It's my first video, guys, from Unboxing Boy, and guys, today we're gonna unbox get Samsung Galaxy A71. Guys, this phone is actually a good phone, better device and a good phone. It has a 64 megapixel uh, main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro camera, and a sensor. So it has 8 GB RAM, 128 GB memory, storage, sorry, not memory is 8 GB and 128 GB storage. So guys, we're gonna see what's in the box. Actually, I took the charger, this super fast charger with USB type C to type C. You can see it. So let's see what is in the box. Actually, I'm recording with A71, so don't mind. There's gonna be nothing in the box except some user manual, and so this is a small box, rectangular box. It has SIM card remover and it actually has a silicone case for this device. It's a silicone case and a quick start guide. This stuff is boring actually. And it has a normal headphone, and this phone also contains with a not contains this phone also has a headphone jack, and it's not powered by AKG, it's a normal headphone. Let me focus it. Yep. So that's for today, and hope you like the video. Bye bye.